Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Evernote Web Clipper to save web content directly to your Evernote account. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to chromewebstore.google.com. Once you're on the Chrome Web Store page, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click on it and type in Evernote Web Clipper. From the suggested results that appear, click on Evernote Web Clipper to open its extension page. On the extension page, you'll see an Add to Chrome button on the right side. Go ahead and click it to begin the installation process. A confirmation pop-up will appear at the top of your browser asking you to confirm the installation. Click Add Extension to proceed. Now, just wait for the installation to finish. Once the extension is installed, open a new tab in your browser and navigate to any website where you'd like to use the Evernote Web Clipper. This could be an article, a recipe, a research page, or any other content you want to save for later reference. Now, look at the top right corner of your Chrome browser and click the Extensions icon, which looks like a puzzle piece. From the Extensions menu that appears, click on Evernote Web Clipper. When you do this, a panel will appear on the right side of your screen displaying the Clipper options. In this right panel, you'll see several clip format options to choose from. Article saves the main content of the page. Multi-select lets you select multiple items on a web page before saving. Simplified article removes ads and extra content for a cleaner save. Full page saves the entire page as you see it. Bookmark saves only the website link, and Screenshot saves the page as an image. Select your preferred clip format from the list based on what you need. Below the clip format options, navigate to the Save To section. Click the drop-down menu below it, and you'll see a list of your Evernote notebooks. Choose your preferred notebook from the list where you want this clip to be saved. This helps keep your content organized within Evernote. Optionally, just below that, you'll see fields for task, tag, and note or comments. You can add these details if you want to further categorize or annotate your clip, but this step is completely optional. Once you've configured everything, look to the upper right corner of the panel and click Save Clip. Wait for a few seconds while the extension syncs your clip with your Evernote account. This usually happens pretty quickly, but the time may vary depending on the size of the content you're saving. After the sync is complete, you'll see an option in the right panel that says Open in Evernote app if you already have it installed on your PC, or Open in Evernote Web if you haven't downloaded the desktop application yet. Click your preferred option. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Click Open Evernote to proceed. From there, you can edit the notes if you'd like, add more tags, or simply review what you've saved. And that's it! You've successfully used Evernote Web Clipper to save web content directly to your Evernote account, making it easy to organize and access important information whenever you need it. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.